Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Great Pension Bake-Off. I'm Kathleen Divet, Chief Pension Officer at PSPP. And today, we're whipping up something way more exciting than banana bread, your retirement income.
And I'm Chris Thrall, Senior Communications Advisor with PSPP. I'm here to make sure we don't burn anything, especially your future.
Because retirement isn't just a snack, it's the dessert you spend your whole working life baking. So let's get mixing.
Let's do it. All right, let's break down the recipe for a successful retirement.
Like a great cake, it starts with the right ingredients, and each one plays a key role.
We'll start with the dry ingredients, your defined benefit workplace pension plan. The salt and the baking powder combine, just like employee and employer contributions.
Without them, the cake is less pleasant. The salt and baking powder contributions help the cake rise, and without it, it might just be a little bit flat.
The biggest part, however, is the flour, the investment returns.
You're totally right, Chris. It's the foundation of the cake. And without it, your cake ends up much smaller.
I don't think you get cake at all, actually.
I don't think so either.
Next, we'll combine the wet ingredients, which represent your government pension streams. These eggs are your Canada Pension Plan. They help hold the whole cake together. Kathleen, did you know you could take it as early as age 60?
Oh, really? Oh, and Chris, earlier you told me that this sugar is your old age security. Talk about sweet and steady.
Sweet and steady indeed. OAS is based on Canadian residency, and the earliest you could start it is age 65. We'll come back to these in a minute, but right now we have to combine the last few ingredients, your personal savings.
In the personal savings bowl, let's combine the butter, the milk, and the oil. These ingredients keep the cake moist and they help it bake evenly.
These represent your assets. Maybe you have some equity in your home or some real estate. Include any funds you have in personal savings or investments, everything from RRSPs or mutual funds to stocks and GICs.
It's okay if this bowl isn't as full as you'd hope. After all, you've had a life to live and things are very expensive. But it might be time now to start thinking about it. How can you boost up this little bowl here and get it filled up a little bit more before you retire? And finally, the flavor.
I like vanilla. It's the finest of the flavors.
You and me both. When it comes to your workplace pension, the flavor is determined by plan design and the pension rules. These add depth and nuance. Every workplace pension is a little bit different, so it never hurts to find out about the flavor of your cake when it comes out of the oven.
Yes, the perfect blend of sweet and savory. Stir it all together, and boom, pension magic.
Okay, these ingredients are great, but if you just throw them in a bowl and hope for the best, you're making retirement soup, not a cake.
Well, you know what comes next then. Batter's up.
In order to turn this batter into the cake you want for retirement, you need two things. You need pans and you need an oven. If your employer offers a defined benefit pension, this will preheat your oven at 350.
In a defined benefit pension plan, it's the dimensions of the pan that determine the size of the retirement cake. The two sides of the pan are years of pensionable service and pensionable salary. With this formula, you can easily calculate the size of your monthly slices of cake after you retire.
You and your pension partner, if you have one, will have a slice of cake every month for the rest of your lives, growing larger with cost of living increases every year.
Remember, your oven is preheated not only with your workplace pension, but with all your retirement planning and the decisions you have made over the course of your career.
think about aiming for that sweet spot when it comes to your bake time. With PSPP, this is the 85 factor. When your years of service and age add up to 85. That's when your pension is done and you qualify for an unreduced delicious cake.
Wait, what happens if someone pulls their retirement cake out too early?
It looks like that. It is really well underbaked. So leaving the plan early or cashing out can mean missing out on growth, inflation protection, and secure income.
Oh no, a pension tartare.
It's just so raw regret as far as I'm concerned. Even if you leave your employer, you can leave your benefit in the plan. You can come back to it with a new PSPP employer. You can transfer it to another employer. Or you can take a pension as early as age 55.
That all sounds like great ideas. Oh, but wait, there's more.
Now, while the cake is baking, let's put together the elements that transform your retirement cake into a delicious confection that will last the rest of your life. Bring on the frosting.
First of all, smooth, softened butter will make the frosting taste unbelievable. This is your cost of living increase every year. Your pension will increase every year based on inflation. That will make your monthly pieces bigger so you don't fall behind.
The next part, you'll have to think about a little. How sweet do you want your retirement to be? The icing sugar represents the lifestyle you want. Do you want to travel?
Do you want to stay at home or do you want to move away?
What about your spouse's retirement plan?
Oh, and you might want to think about your health.
Each of these questions is going to help shape the sweetness of your retirement, and they're worth thinking about as your cake bakes.
Remember, you can flavor your frosting, your retirement, with anything you want by considering your pension options. Everybody's retirement looks different. Cherries could mean that you retire to a multi-generational family home where you can help take care of the grandkids. You can think about chocolate for a snowbird timeshare somewhere warm. Heck, a pinch of cayenne pepper could mean a post-retirement marriage.
I'll use rainbow sprinkles for my plans to cruise around the world. How about we add a little bit of green for the color of money into retirement?
Oh, green's the perfect color. So the cake is cooling, and while we wait to decorate it, let's recap what we've learned.
When baking a retirement cake, here are a few tips to remember. 1. Read your recipe in advance. Think about what your life in retirement looks like and plan accordingly.
2. Know your ingredients. Your defined benefit workplace pension, CPP and OAS, plus your personal savings all bring something to the table.
3. In the personal savings bowl, start early. Compound interest will add to your retirement cake quickly.
4. Keep your pantry organized. Review your pension estimate, update your beneficiaries on your pension profile, and track your service. Consider buybacks after a leave of absence and transfer service into the plan if you earned a pension elsewhere.
5. You don't have to bake alone. There are well-informed chefs within easy reach. Use PSPP's tools and attend information sessions to learn more about your plan.
Kathleen, the cake's ready, shall we?
Let's do this.
Oh, fantastic. Kathleen, that cake looks amazing. What makes it a well-baked retirement cake?
Well, Chris, if you remember, it had 3 types of ingredients. Your government pensions, your workplace pension, and personal savings. So that's 3 layers of financial security. You put them all together, and you've got a retirement that's rich, resilient, and ready to enjoy monthly for the rest of your life.
And you do have options to share with your pension partner and by naming beneficiaries in case something happens to you.
Look at this beauty. Layers of security, a swirl of savings, and just a hint of I can sleep at night drizzle. Honestly, it's almost too good to eat.
But only almost. All baked with time, planning, and a generous scoop of smart choices. No shortcuts and no soggy bottoms. Kathleen, to a retirement that's well-baked, well-balanced, and totally earned.
Cheers and happy retirement planning.